AI is having a significant impact on data center networking. That is the network connectivity in between data centers and the data center fabric and automation within the data centers themselves. I'm Chad Gibbons, and I'm here with Federico Guillen, President of the Network Infrastructure Business at Nokia, and Paul Savill, Senior Vice President and Global Head of the Network and Edge Practice at Kyndryl. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you.
Federico, what impact is the AI boom having on networking requirements?
From the beginning of times in networking, we are managing traffic growths. And AI is the last wave of traffic growth that we're seeing coming. The data centers more and more are using AI technologies, and that is a huge driver for data center. So basically what we're doing is putting at the service of the demand of new traffic or data center switching, the data center fabric, and data center interconnect now with the acquisition of Infinera even more.
Thanks, Federico. And Paul, as the world's largest IT infrastructure service provider, what is Kyndryl's role in this new AI era?
So our role is to advise, help customers implement, and then to help customers manage all of this new technology. Kyndryl isn't about building AIs ourselves, but our role is to make the IT infrastructure capable of supporting any type of AI application that our customers want to deploy.
Okay, thanks, Paul. Another topic that's really hot these days and still tied to the data center space is quantum computing. Paul, let me start with you. You hear a lot about quantum computing. It has massive potential, but could also be kind of scary for security reasons. What are we doing to help ready customers around that threat and around the opportunity?
Yeah, well, we think that quantum computing is really a fantastic opportunity for companies like Nokia and Kyndryl to create value for customers, because while quantum computing is going to create the ability for customers to do new things with their business and expand in many different ways, it also represents a real threat to their business going forward. And while the computing infrastructure itself is still evolving and not mature enough possibly for some of those threats to happen right now, we believe we are on that cusp. And you don't want to be in a situation where the bad actors in the industry get a hold of that technology and are ready to use it before you have shored up the network to protect against that. And that's the role that we really have in working together to help enterprises.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Thanks, Paul. And Federico, what about from your perspective?
Yeah, from my perspective, I'm delighted to partner with people like Kyndryl, because we share the same vision. We have technologies both in optical and fixed net and IP networks that allow us to do quantum safe networking. But you need a partner like Kyndryl in order to make that, to put that alive into the network. So we are really looking forward into that type of opportunities, and I'm sure of our success.
Thanks, Federico. And fortunately, we also have some customer wins to actually, show examples of that. One final question, back to the data center topic. So we understand, Paul, that Kyndryl and Nokia are working together to integrate our event-driven automation platform, EDA, with Kyndryl Bridge, your management platform. What's your take on the benefit that that's going to bring to the market and to the customers?
Well, Kyndryl is one of the largest data center managed services providers in the world. But whenever we started the company, it was actually a really big portion of our business. But the technology in that space has really gotten stale over the years. And what's got us so excited about what Nokia is doing in this space is that integration with AI and our opportunity to integrate it with our AI Ops platform. It's really taking the technology of today and leapfrogging into the future with where we see the whole future of data center networking is going.
Fantastic, thanks, Paul. Anything to add to that, Federico?
Yeah, I mean, from the moment we launched EDA, the event-driven automation, I was so happy to see that Kyndryl was the first partner that saw the benefit of that, because our intention, we target to bring to zero the human intervention into the data center, and that's absolutely something that is going to change the industry. So I'm really glad to make this partnership with Kyndryl, because they share the vision that we have on that.
Thank you, Federico.
Thank you.
Indeed. Well, thank you both. That's all the time we have for today. I want to thank Paul for joining us here today. Thank you, Federico.